This is our 12 litre backpack sprayer. It's an RS12. It's made by Mesto and it's 6 bar maximum pressure. This is everything that you get in the box. So this is your tank, 12 litre fill capacity, 6 bar maximum spraying pressure. Stop valve can be locked in the locked position, which is a safety device so it can't accidentally spray, and it has a pressure gauge here so you can see the pressure. If you open this, you can see a filter, something you can take out every now and again, just give a little clean, but it ensures that your nozzle for your spraying stays nice and clean. 1/2 metre spray lance, hollow cone spray nozzle. Okay, we've got a lot of nozzles, so you can change this if you want. You want a different pattern, you want a different size. 1.5 metre hose with threaded collars, compression arm, so you pump to put the pressure into the tank, instruction manual, and lock or locking collar for the spray arm. When it comes to putting the RS12 together, it's pretty straightforward. Stop valve just connects to the spray lance. Hose just threads on to the stop valve. Pop it on, give a little wiggle, and then thread the collar on. So there's no tools required, so everything is done by hand, nice and easy. To remove, simply give a little wiggle and it's done. Okay. The same goes when connecting to the tank. You do is you pass the hose through the hole here, and then everything locates on this nipple at the bottom here. So the hose just pushes straight through, straight on, and threaded on to the bottom there. Inside here, we've got a filter so that you're not going to put any rubbish into the tank. So always make sure that's on there when filling the tank. Okay. And then the only other thing you need to do is the compression handle. This can be set up left or right handed, and it's simply a case of popping it into the hole at the front. So it's left or right, doesn't matter. It just goes in, push it in, locates somewhere around here. There you go. And then just push that in. On the underside, there are 3 holes as well. And the collar just goes pushed on onto here or onto here, and it locates in the hole. Okay, it just looks, because you can move this depending on how wide you are. And then the only other thing you need to do then, you'll see that the shoulder straps are connected, but not at the bottom. So, metal ring just gets pushed into here on both sides, just push it in and then pull it forward, and that's connected. So that is our Mesto 12 litre sprayer. Hopefully that was quite straightforward for everybody. Any questions, feel free to contact us.